In this video, I'm going to show you how visual analytics works for MapX. In this video, I'm going to go through how the visual analytics also works for MapX. And for you who don't know, MapX is our new tool that helps you understand how people under stress and pressure might behave in a way that might be not beneficial to them. So it's a risk test. And if you look at this picture here, you know we've seen this before. We have the three candidates. And then at the bottom here we have a new sort of thing called MapX. And if you press that one, you get this view. Those of you who are familiar with MapX know that this is sort of, we have the 5 scales from the big five-factor model with different sort of extremes. So the first one, impulsive versus rigid, is conscientiousness. That people with a very high level of conscientiousness, they might be perceived as somewhat rigid, getting stuck in details, perfectionistic and so on. Whereas people on the very low end of conscientiousness might rather be perceived as impulsive, taking quick decisions without maybe taking the long term into consideration. And here's the view, and what we're seeing right now, what we're presented with, is these two. These two are the ones that the group average and the group range. So we have a big range, for instance, on the impulsive rigid scale, but that's more tighter, meaning that we have people that are all the way over here and people that are all the way over to this side. So they're probably going to behave very differently within a stressful situation, for instance. And you can also see where the average is, where this group very likely will behave during stress and press. So this gives you information about how this group, in this instance we have 3 candidates, and how they are going to behave when they are stressed. But maybe you want to compare, you want to have the specific numbers of a candidate, and you can of course press here to see exactly who is who. And for instance, here we have a very interesting thing where Sanderson is quite different in the way that this person will behave during stress and press compared to, if we do like this, we can see how it really compares to Strecker and Timon Puma, that are more similar when it comes to how they will behave during stress and press. And this will help you understand how this team or how these individuals compared to each other will behave. And then you can make a more informed decision about how your organization works and what type of behavior are actually more detrimental than other type of behavior.